Hi, welcome to the Martin Made YouTube channel. I'm Kim, and I'm going to share a quick tip with you today on pairing patterns. That means patterns for pillows, draperies, any kind of fabrics or textiles that would go into your home decor. Let's get started. Let's be real. If you've ever tried to design or decorate a room, sometimes we can get a bit stuck on all those pretty colors and patterns and how to best incorporate them into the room. We've all been there, second guessing our choices and getting overwhelmed by all the options available. But today I'm here to give you a few quick tips on how exactly to put those patterns, pieces, and colors together in a very cohesive and cool way that will have your guests, and most importantly you, loving it. For the purposes of today's examples, I'm going to be focusing on fabrics for pillows because who doesn't like throw pillows? We always see them at HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, everywhere. So I'll just take you through the examples I have here with me today. We have florals, animal prints, solids, and some fun textures. All of these are great to combine together because they create more depth and interest for your design. And for this foolproof method, we'll be breaking down our fabric choices into 4 main categories: solid, organic, graphic, and scale. For the perfect pairings, our goal is to choose one from at least 3 of these 4 categories. So let me break it down for you. In the first example, we have a boldly printed floral pattern paired with a graphic pattern, which is then paired with texture. The common theme we keep here is the main color, and the main color for this example is this beautiful deep blue I've used. You can see it present in all 3 fabrics. The trick is to thread that color throughout all of the options chosen. And here you can see I've chosen organic with the floral, graphic with this geometric pattern, and solid with the navy velvet. The next example also follows the same theme as the first and is very colorful. We have a bright floral and a bold geometric pattern and a solid color. Unlike the first example, I've gone in a completely opposite direction with the colors chosen and used the floral pattern to pull them all together. In this example, the floral is our organic choice, the geometric is the graphic choice, and the orange velvet is our solid. And our last example shows neutrals. While keeping with a more subdued theme, we're pairing a fun animal print, a beautiful embroidered fabric, and a charcoal velvet. This combination explores the 4th category, which is scale. The leopard print is a smaller scale pattern. Bringing in the larger scale of the embroidered pattern brings more interest into the mix. This scale variation is appealing to the eye while still adhering to a calmer combination of colors. And as you might be able to tell, using scale is kind of like a wild card. It applies almost everywhere and sometimes comes into play even when you didn't intend. So it's really a great option to choose when you're stuck figuring out how to pull patterns together. To recap, the perfect pairings artfully combine textiles from at least 3 of these categories: solid, organic, graphic, and scale. I certainly hope this was helpful for all of you wanting to put together an amazing looking space without the stress that can come with it. And for those interested, the sources and details of the fabric used in this video will be linked down below. Be on the lookout for more videos in this color series that you can use in conjunction with this one to put together a home you love. Thanks for tuning in to Martin Made, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more info and inspiration, you can check me out here.